everybody and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name is Laura and I've got the lovely Cara.
Hello.
Hello, are you okay?
We've got some deals.
These
my
are amazing.
goodness.
I've already told Karen all of these are going to disappear when I leave with me. So I'm going to start with these.
Go on.
Because these are amazing and I know these are going to fly. So these are the medium. So you get 3 of these storage folders, and you've got all of the folders in there.
And the magnetic sheets.
Not in this one.
Bear with. They do come with magnetic sheets.
I've already put it in my bag.
There we are. We'll use this one. We'll look at this one.
So you can see you've got your lovely binder there. They're really strong as well and sturdy. They're quality,
really
they're going to last.
Yeah.
You can also pull the actual paper out of the spine, so you could write whatever. Maybe you've just got your Christmas dies in here, write Christmas on there, and you've got them organised.
Mine are like that at home.
You liar.
Honestly, can I tell you, my dies are so well organised at home because I used to be on the DT before I worked in the office.
Okay.
So I had to find stuff. I had to find stuff really quickly. So all of my dies are organised. They're in these, the bigger ones. I've got the full array, as you do, and they're all labelled on the sides. I've got layering dies. I've got alphabets. I've got, honestly.
So everyth's in its place.
Everything's in its place.
Wow.
I know.
I'm very impressed. Oh. Mine will be when I get home. So you can see they're lovely size. You know, they're going to be great for like those small dies. You don't want to lose them. Alphabet dies. Because you have got the magnetic sheets in there as well. So you don't have to get anything extra. But obviously you can get more of these when you went to 6x6. So a lovely size. There. So but 3 of these you're going to get. It's amazing.
That price.
Yeah, right? So I still think this is wrong. In the UK, you're going to get the 3 of these for $26.99, which should be £53.97.
With 18 quid each near enough.
Yeah.
Which is amazing. And if you're in the US, it is going to be $49.99. Which should be $105.
$105,
which is crazy. Absolutely. These are going to fly.
Yeah.
They are going to go. So if you want them, get them now. And then... Get these as well. Okay, we've got the larger ones. So these are the A5 ones. Yeah. Now, you're going to get 3 of these as well. Yeah. You've got the storage in there. You've got the pockets. You've got the cards in there as well, so you can label everything. So exact same concept, just this is slightly bigger.
6 by just over 8 inches.
Okay, so it's just a bit longer, isn't it? So
it's A5 size. They fit.
It depends on what dies you store in.
And we made this size to store like the Stamp Club and all of those, you know, the craft kit dies and things like that. People like to store those in them because you can get so much more on one of these than one of those. Yeah. You can get the whole set
on one sheet.
Designer choice will fit straight on it. Stamp Club, you know, you can fit all of those lovely die collections. Okay,
so this one is, for the 3 of them, is $39.99 in the UK.
Bonkers.
Which is absolutely crazy. And it is going to be $59.99 if you are in the US. So, but I would grab them now if you want them, because they are not going to be there for long. So if you want them, grab them now.
I have got some adhesives for you. So we've got 3 of the craft tacky glue, the 240mm. No, the 120mm. That was the big one you launched the other day. So sorry.
Hey, I'll be not selling the 240 for it's cheaper.
No, indeed. So you've got 3 of these 120 craft tacky glues, and 1, 2. They've only put 3. 200 ends. Nova Deluxe. My most favourite glues in the world. And, well, what's the price, though? This really good price.
This is amazing. So, in the UK, $14.99. $14.99.
That is cheaper than just those 3. Isn't it?
Yeah.
And you're getting these 3 for free. And a little bit out of each bottle of those.
You're getting 3 1/4 free.
But yeah, these ones are $5.49, did you say?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, $5.49 on their own. So, you know,
It's
you've
amazing,
got
Val, yeah.
such a good price.
And it's glue. It's the glue. You know,
You're gonna use,
I
aren't you?
struggle to get this all the time.
Yeah,
As soon as it comes in, it goes,
sells
and
out.
I always struggle to get it. So I can't believe they put this on a deal.
No, I know.
amazing.
It'll just sell on its own anyway. There's just no need to even discount it. It'll go. It flies out
It
at
is.
its full price. So stock up. Get your adhesives. You're always going to use them.
Yeah, so like we said, it is $14.99 in the UK. It is $19.99 in the US. So amazing.
I shall put those to one side. And we have got... This is a good price.
This is amazing.
Oh my goodness. Right, so it's our 300 GSM. So your nice, thick construction weight card. 3 ivory, 3 black, 4 white. 10 packs. Give
Absolutely.
us the deets, Law.
So you've got your 10 packs in your... Now, UK is $11.99.
What? It just doesn't even... We may as well just go outside and just give it a bit. Yeah. Just go and have it. Just go... It's not even worth charging for it.
So
It's such a good price.
in the UK. US is $14.99, which
Wow.
is crazy. When you think this is your construction
Yeah.
card.
It's 300
It's the card
gram.
that you have to pay a little bit more for.
You
It's
do.
that thicker bit.
You
it's
do.
what you're going to use. And at the end of the day, this is the card that you're using to make something that you are keeping.
Yeah.
That you want to keep sturdy. And to
Yeah.
get it at this price is just crazy. And I love the fact as well, it's the cream, the white and the black. It's your
Yeah.
basic colours. So it
Base
doesn't
colours.
matter what you're going to be making. It's your base colour.
Mm-hmm. Any of the bigger boxes, anything like that. Card blanks. So you've got 5 sheets in each pack. So there's... How many packs, Law? 10
10
50
packs.
sheets.
50 sheets.
50 sheets of construction weight card for... What? Oh, no.
$11.99.
Absolute bargain. Just giving it away, we are. Give it away.
No, wait. We've kept the best to last.
We are giving this away.
We are giving this next thing away. So the next thing we're going to tell you about, which we don't have out, is a mystery bundle.
Oh, we love a mystery.
So it is a mystery, but you can have a look on the website and you'll see, I think you see some bits of it. Or we're not sure. Or is
We
it a
just
mystery
give it a little
bundle?
bit more.
Or is it just going to be like
total mystery?
a bag? Could just be a
Because
bag. And then it'll be like, it's a mystery. But anyway, so in this mystery bundle, you are going to... So bear in mind, okay, I'm not going to tell you the price yet. So you are going to get over £50 worth of dyes in this bundle, okay?
inside what, Law? Inside what?
No, wait, no. Stop ruining my best bet. Plus, you are going to get a free storage bag.
I know.
With it, a free storage bag.
It's
And
the
these are the new bags.
Craft pouch.
The craft pouch. And they
Yeah.
are new. So, you know, they are lovely. I've seen them as well. I've
They're
seen
amazing.
them upstairs with
They're
you.
strong. They're zip top. It's an A4 storage bag. We'll take the American letter size card as well. So
So you're getting
fab.
over £50 worth of dyes. Plus you're getting a free storage bag.
that's amazing.
£12.50.
Give it away! I told you!
£12.50.
Just give it away.
That is absolutely amazing. How much is the storage bag on its own?
I can't work that out because they come in a pack of 3. So I'm not sure. Oh, Alex is on it, guys.
The
Bear
pack
with.
of 3 must be
Bear with.
near that.
Probably.
And you're going to get that bag plus £50 worth, over £50 worth of dye.
The bag on its own is $3.99 in the UK.
Is that for the pack of 3? Or
That's
is
the
that?
bag.
No, that's just for one.
No.
So £4 for the bag.
And it's £12.50 for the
For-
dyes, including a bag.
Over £50 worth. Christmas presents. They will think you've spent a fortune.
Yeah. If you've got crafty friends, I mean, you spend
£12.50.
£12.50. It's nothing, is it? You can't even buy them a nice bottle. You can't even get one of them bottles of the nice gin stuff with a light inside from good old M&S.
You have brought up alcohol for once in a while. You are the one with the problem today.
No, but you'd buy somebody a bottle of something, wouldn't you? Well, that's 20 quid.
Yes.
If you've got a crafting friend, £12.50 for you put them in the little pouch, stick a bow in it, and call it done.
And they would think you have spent so much money as well because of how many you're going to get as well. So that is absolutely amazing.
Fantastic.
So do tag us in any of your makes, especially if you get that mystery bundle. Let us know what you get and show us what you get in there. Or show us your amazing organised craft room. That's what I'll do tonight. I'll send you a picture of mine. But do tag us in your makes. Thank you for joining us and happy crafting.